Howdy folks, here we have a sawmill. They have the hydraulic pump running right now. They're gonna fire up the motor for the blade. We currently have a blade off of it, just so we don't nick anything while he's running it back and forth. It will have a blade installed on it and the guards put on. But we're just doing a quick video to show you it in action. So as you can see, everything runs and goes as it should. One thing to note is the cord. You kind of have to manage it while you return the saw blade back towards yourself so you don't get it pinched. So maybe a slightly stronger reel might be an upgrade in the future. That will roll the log for you, so you don't have to do it by hand. So if you plan to test this saw out, really got to pay attention what you're doing so you don't put the blade in the wrong spot. But other than that, this is a nice running, working sawmill. And it will be selling May 11th at smithsalesco.com. So if you're after sawmill, take a look at this one. Thanks for looking.